Off-roading is a thrilling and adventurous activity that allows you to explore the uncharted territories of the world. Whether you are conquering rough terrains or navigating through challenging landscapes, having a capable off-road vehicle is essential. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 world's most capable off-road vehicles that are designed to tackle any obstacle that comes their way. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 is a beast of a truck that offers impressive off-road capabilities. With its robust construction and powerful engine, it can take on any challenge with ease. Gifted from the factory, this lineup boasts the deepest array of off-road ready trucks, providing rugged capability for wherever your imagination takes you. The interior screens and camera views not only keep you connected but also provide essential information to navigate through the toughest trails. It's not just about off-road capability, it's about the experience, and the ZR2 ensures you have the tools to conquer the unknown. The ZR2's aggressive stance is complemented by specially designed wheels wrapped in 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory Mount tires. Underneath the ZR2, you'll find the game-changer, Multimatic DSSV dampers. These high-tech, spool valve dampers provide unmatched off-road performance. Whether you're hitting high-speed trails or navigating challenging rock crawls, the Multimatic DSSV dampers adapt to the terrain, offering exceptional control and comfort. The Silverado HD ZR2 steps up with impressive trailing capability. With a max available trailing capacity of 18,500 pounds, this off-road beast is ready to tow your toys into the heart of the wilderness, opening up new possibilities for camping, boating, and more. The 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory Mount tires provide excellent traction, and additional underbody coverage ensures that the truck remains protected from rocks and debris, allowing you to push the boundaries of off-road exploration. When it comes to off-road prowess, the Land Rover Discovery is a name that cannot be overlooked. This iconic SUV has been a symbol of adventure and exploration for decades. With its sophisticated four-wheel drive system, adjustable air suspension, and advanced terrain response technology, the Discovery can conquer any landscape with ease. Whether you are traversing through sandy deserts or wading through deep water crossings, this vehicle will get you to your destination safely and comfortably. This luxurious SUV boasts Land Rover's terrain response system, which automatically adjusts for different terrains, making it a breeze to switch from sand dunes to mountain trails. The Land Rover Discovery offers a luxurious and spacious interior, making it ideal for long journeys. It is equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment systems, premium leather upholstery, and a host of advanced safety features. The Discovery also offers impressive towing capabilities, making it a versatile choice for off-roading enthusiasts who need to haul their gear or trailers. With its combination of off-road prowess and luxurious comfort, the Land Rover Discovery truly stands out among its competitors. The Subaru Outback Wilderness is a rugged and capable off-road vehicle that is perfect for those who love to explore the great outdoors. This SUV is designed to handle rough terrains and challenging landscapes with ease. With standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, 9.5 inches of ground clearance, and exclusive terrain-conquering upgrades, this Subaru is your passport to unexplored territories. Under the hood, the Outback Wilderness packs a punch with its 260 horsepower turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine. The revised gear ratios allow the Outback Wilderness to climb grades up to an impressive 40%, ensuring that no hill is too steep for your off-road adventures. The redesigned front and rear bumpers not only add to the Outback Wilderness's rugged aesthetics but also enhance its approach and departure angles, giving you the confidence to tackle obstacles head-on. This Subaru is not just about looks, it's about providing practical solutions for off-road challenges. When it comes to tackling adverse conditions, the Outback Wilderness features X Mode, empowering you to power through challenging terrains. The system optimizes traction in deep snow, sand, and mud, providing you with the confidence to navigate through various off-road scenarios. The 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. On the exterior, The Outback Wilderness features ruggedly clad panels, giving it a distinctive and robust appearance. The unique roof rack with rooftop tent capability adds a touch of adventure, allowing you to turn any location into your temporary home under the stars. The 2024 Toyota Tundra is a highly anticipated off-road vehicle that promises to push the boundaries of capability and performance. With its aggressive design, powerful engine options, and innovative features, the Tundra is set to revolutionize the off-road market. This truck is built on Toyota's new TNGA platform, which enhances its durability and off-road prowess. The heart of this beast is the iForce V6 engine, generating a staggering 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The 2024 Tundra offers a range of off-road features, including a multi-terrain select system, an electronic locking differential, and a heavy-duty suspension. These features, combined with its powerful engine options, allow the Tundra to tackle even the toughest terrains with ease. Whether you are crawling over rocks or traversing through muddy trails, this truck will keep you in control and confident. In addition to its off-road capabilities, the 2024 Toyota Tundra boasts a spacious and comfortable interior. It features premium materials, advanced technology, and a range of safety features. This truck is also equipped with impressive towing capabilities, making it a versatile choice for both off-roading and hauling needs. If you are looking for a powerful and capable off-road vehicle that offers comfort and versatility, the 2024 Toyota Tundra is worth considering. Topping our list of the world's most capable off-road vehicles is the Lexus GX. This luxury SUV combines elegance and ruggedness to deliver an exceptional off-road experience. The GX features a full-time four-wheel drive system, a robust suspension, and a range of off-road technologies that allow it to conquer any terrain with ease. Whether you are traversing through rocky mountains or crossing sandy deserts, this vehicle will provide the traction and stability you need to navigate through challenging landscapes. This rugged SUV might seem like a contradiction, but its proven off-road prowess is undeniable. With its full-time four-wheel drive, crawl control, and kinetic dynamic suspension system, the GX tackles technical terrain with confidence and composure, all while pampering you in plush comfort. It features premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and a host of safety features that ensure a refined and secure driving experience. The GX also offers impressive towing capabilities, making it a versatile choice for those who need to haul their gear or trailers. So, there you have it. The top 5 world's most capable off-road vehicles. Each of these vehicles brings its unique set of features and capabilities to the table, catering to different preferences and driving styles. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.